Hi there, this is Precious from Click8 Academy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your Vim, more productive for you by adding some cool stuff to the configuration file. So presently, if I open up my Vim, it looks like this, pretty bland, like yours, I suppose. I mean, the most important thing in programming for us using Notepad is numbers, and you don't even have numbers here. Let's try that. Let me try typing some stuff. You see? There are no numbers, so you can't even tell what line number this is. So because of that, we have to do something about that. And not just that, we have to add some other cool stuff to our Vim to make it look more prettier. So I'm going to exit out of this so that we can get down to it quickly. Nothing much. I've already done everything for you. It's just for you to copy and paste, but you can follow me. So the first thing first is we need to create some directories in our home folder. But before you proceed, ensure you are inside of your home working directory by using print working directory, home Precious. So you see mine is correct. So now you can paste this command, the very first command on the screen. So we are going to be creating an autoload, backup, and plugin directory. Don't worry if you can't type this out. I'm going to have these documents uploaded for you so that you can copy it quickly. So press enter, and that has been created. The next thing we need to do is to create the VIM configuration file itself. So touch tilde vimrc. So this will create the file for us. It is inside of this file we are going to put all this document, or the VIM configuration document. So let's open that file up. Vim, that's the configuration document we just created. Let's open it up. But before I show you, before I copy everything inside, I want you to see what happens when I do this. Set number. So I'm going to save this now and quit. Now let's open a Vim document again and see if we have our numbers now. As you can see, we have set numbers working for us. We have numbers inside of our Vim document. Let me try to type some stuff. As you can see now, we have numbers. So this is going to make it easier for you to be able to know where you are on your document and what line number you are working on, especially when you start using the navigation we learned from the previous video. So I'm going to clear all this out, and let's go back to the configuration file and put in all other configurations that we need. So let's open the VIM configuration file again. Like I said, I have this set for you. So just copy and paste everything you have here. You can always go back to edit what you don't want, or you comment it out. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to paste the configuration document itself. So it's going to take care of everything for us. But if you want me to just run through so you should just see. So the first thing is set non-compatible, to remove unexpected issues. File type on, file plugin on, set number has been added again. So there is a definition for every one of them so that you can understand what each one of them is doing. So you can always come back here, look at what you don't want and take it out, or leave what you want. So I've done the best for you. It's left for you to make do of the best with what you can do with this configuration document. The next step is to save. So let's open up Vim and see what changes has happened to our Vim editor. As you can see, we have some cool stuff going on for us. So The numbers are there. We have a status line following us about now. You see, showing you where you are currently on your document. So let's quit this and let's add some colors, or like the kind of the themes we have on some other editors like Sublime Text. We can also do that here. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go into our colors directory. So let's cd there, cd. Remember we created this at the start. So we are going inside. You can click tab for autocomplete. Then the next thing we need to do is to install the colors, the molokai color. So it says coil is not installed, so let's install that. Sudo apt install coil. Input your password. So let's do that again. Use up, and it's downloaded. Then the next thing for us is to set the color scheme. So to set the color scheme, you have to do that inside of VIM. So let's open VIM, and you can use the command that says color scheme molokai. As you can see, the color of our insert has changed and the color scheme has been added successfully. So that's that on VIM configuration. I believe with this you've been able to make your VIM documents look more beautiful and creative. Please don't forget to come back to the channels for great, better and even more cool videos on VIM and other programming languages that you might be interested in. Right now, let's go out together. So click this, clear my terminal, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.